Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to expand this one, and we have 1 plus 2 cosine x plus cosine x squared. We know that cosine x squared plus sine x squared equal to number 1. This is about trigonometric identity. Number 1 plus number 1, you got about number 2. Next, number 2 with number 2, we can do about factorization. Next, we have the formula in here. Cosine 2a equal to 2 cosine a squared minus 1. So, about cosine x, that's about number 2 multiplied by x over 2. So, we apply this formula in here, and we will have about 2 cosine x over 2 square minus number 1. So 1 minus 1, they cancel. This one you got about number 4. The square root of number 4 you got about number 2. The square root of cosine x over 2 square, we change this one into the absolute value of cosine of x over 2. We know that the absolute value, they always provide a positive number. Now, we need to consider about the bounds from 0 to b. From 0 to b, we know that if we draw the graph of cosine of x over 2, that is about the positive area in here. So we can cancel about the absolute value. And we have cosine of x over 2. The integration of this one, we will have about 2 multiplied by sine of x over 2. And we need to put the bounds in here from 0 to b. Number 2 with number 2, we have number 4. And we put the bounds in here. So we put b in here. And number 0 in here. And now we got the final answer. And that's it about number 4. This is the end. Thank you for watching.